Very good evening and warm welcome to Honorable Minister of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Shri Rupalaji. Honorable Minister, Animal Husbandry, Dairy and Fishery, Telangana, Shri Talasari Srinivas Yadavji. Honorable MP Zairabad, Shri B.B. Patilji. Honorable MP Chevala, Dr. Ranjit Reddy. Joint Secretary, Department, Animal Husbandry and Dairy, Dr. O.P. Chaudhary. Shri Vivek Deshpande. My colleagues of dais, Neeraj Srivastav, Vijay Bandare, Suresh Devra, and my colleagues of dais, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen, awardees and invitees. Progress, partnership, growth. I think these three words define the journey of CLIFMA so far. As we are all aware, that 5 decades ago, Compound Livestock Feed Manufacturer Association was formed. Since then, the association has progressed far ahead. It was purely the far-sightedness and the visionary leadership of our past chairman who thought of engulfing the whole industry in this association, be it breeders, integrators, cooperatives, feed supplements, or machinery. Because of the impact we would be able to achieve as a single unit, and we work as a single unit. Since thereon, the association has been called CLIFMA of India, representing all livestock industries, in which all work together as a team for the progress of the animal husbandry industry. Thus today, CLIFMA of India has become the nodal agency of the country representing our livestock industry. Kudos to all our past chairmen, under whose guidance and foresight we have progressed and come so far. Thank you all, past chairmen, for enabling this progress. Partnership. CLIFMA today, being the nodal agency of the country, partners with all the government bodies and works closely together. It was nice of the Government of India to realize that animal husbandry constitutes 27% of the GDP of agriculture, and thus the government formed a separate Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying to take care of our livestock industry. Thank you, sirs, for doing this and taking us under your umbrella. CLIFMA today works very closely with Krishi Bhavan and is an important association working along with the department for all its policy-making decisions. A classic example is, as my colleague Mr. Bandare pointed out, that it was the support of our ministry that we could solve the crisis of soybean meal, and we are allowed to import the GM soybean meal into the country. Kudos to the Government of India in solving this crisis for us. And we once again thank you for the same. CLIFMA today is also part of various committees, as example for setting the BIS standards for feed, also part of FASAI. CLIFMA works closely with the veterinary institutes and other associations, whether it is participating in each other's seminars or educating the farmers program or bringing new solution to farmers, which CLIFMA does purely for the benefit of the livestock industry. Sirs, we are lucky to have you all with us, and we know you will always take care of your own livestock industry because we are partners in progress. We are all aware that the Animal Husbandry Department has floated a fund offering interest subvention to our livestock industry. Today, the department has already okayed many projects under this scheme. I'm sure our dear Joint Secretary Sahab, Dr. O.P. Chaudhary, will throw some more light on this. Sir, we are eager to hear your address too about this. All these initiatives from the government is only going to fuel growth for the livestock industry, especially during the time of this pandemic. Thank you so much, sir, for taking these initiatives. I would like to end with a quote from Henry Ford. Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. And working together is success and growth. Thank you so much, my friends.